Hello, this is Tim with OS College, and this is a Google Drive quick video. Today we're going to be looking at Google Sheets and inserting an image within a cell. I'm using Google Sheets through Mozilla Firefox on Linux Mint 20. Google Sheets can be used through just about any web browser on any operating system. So the first step is simply to select the desired cell. I'm going to select this one underneath image in the German Shepherd row. And then the next step is to go up to the insert menu and then go down to this image submenu and select image in cell. Click it and the insert image dialog appears. And with Google Drive, this is a standard dialog that gives you several different choices from where to find images. You can either upload it from your computer's hard drive. You can choose your camera, but I'm not going to do that right now. By entering a certain URL from Google Photos, specifically from Google Drive, or you can do a Google image search, and that's the one that we are going to do. And I'm going to simply type German Shepherd, and then we are going to select one, and then this little bar pops up, and you simply click Insert, and the image comes in really small if you have a normal size row height, but you can increase the height of the row, and that will increase the image size. So that's how you insert an image within a cell in Google Sheets. This video has been a quick video for Google Drive from OS College. Check out our other videos on the YouTube channel and click the subscribe and like button to receive notifications for new videos. There's also more information about different Office suites, including Google's Office Suite, LibreOffice, Microsoft Office Online, and OnlyOffice on the OS College website. There's web pages and videos for them. We are also on Facebook and other social media. Thank you for watching.